Okay guys, so today I'm going to be giving you a review and unboxing of this, the Realme 6. So let's move on to the unboxing now. Okay, so this is the box. It's pretty sleek, pretty nice. So here you have some indicators with things about the phone. Okay, so let's open it. Pretty smooth. Okay. So here it's just introducing you to the Realme family. Yep. And in this, you get case and some information. Case is pretty good quality, probably TPU plastic, slightly tinted. I would have preferred like transparent plastic so I could see my phone, but yeah. So this obviously isn't the first time I'm opening this, so that's why it may be a bit different from your package. So here's some quick guides, manuals. Now with this, with the phone, as you can see, it lights up there already because I've opened it before and set everything up. So get that out of the way. Take the phone out. So it comes in this package, or it did come in the package, and now I re-put it back in there. And mine is a Comet white one. It's really nice. So the light actually like goes in a Comet fashion. So yeah, 4 cameras. Top left, main camera 64 megapixels. It's really nice for how much it is. See the dot drop there, so it comes pre-applied with a screen protector. So yeah, let's move on to the rest of the box. So here we have a 30-watt charging brick. Yep, pretty standard. And then the USB-C cable. So the standard Realme 6 is spec'd out with a MediaTek Helio G90T chipset and a Mali G76 G. Okay, now let's take a look at speeds of loading up games and apps. So let's start with the camera app. Pretty fast, less than 2 seconds, possibly 1. Okay, YouTube, it's pretty good. Okay, let's move on to a game like Fortnite. Okay, so I'm just gonna time-lapse this for you guys. So that was about 1 minute and 15 seconds, which I guess is pretty good for a developed and modern game, but I wouldn't know the difference. So if you want to compare that to another phone, go ahead and do so. So the phone's build is comprised of a Gorilla Glass 3 front panel and a plastic back and frame. So the plastic is basically a metal imitation. So it's 196 grams with both SIMs, and it's quite a heavy phone. It's pretty large, pretty big on the hands, but that's kind of common with flagships these days. So what you're seeing now is the size difference between an iPhone X and an S9. So this phone has 4 cameras, with the main one being a 64 megapixel primary shooter, which is the one with the yellow highlights around, and then an 8 megapixel ultra wide, and a 2 megapixel macro sensor, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. So the following are going to be pictures of each of the modes and cameras, and some comparisons to other phones. So enjoy. So the display's resolution is at 1080 by 2400 and has 48 pixels per inch. It's a 90 Hz refresh rate, which is smoother than any phone I've used. It's really clean for its price. So here's a comparison of its scrolling and ability to like move smoothly compared to the iPhone X. So the phone does have Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, so the Bluetooth is pretty average. It does work with my AirPods, but yeah, it's just average. The Wi-Fi is pretty high receiving. It's faster than my other phones that I previously had. So yeah, it has a single speaker at the bottom and fast and convenient fingerprint scanner. The fingerprint scanner is really quick, like you could pull out your pocket and have it done by then. Easier access. And I haven't personally tried the Face ID, but I've heard good things. The battery is a 4300 milliamp hour lithium ion battery with 30 watt charging from the power brick. It lasts a bit less than a day when I use it with like 9 to 10 hours of screen on time. And a full charge is done in less than an hour, so pretty good. So overall, the phone is great for its price, provides good performance in all tasks, and the smoothness is just unparalleled to any of its competitors. Its gaming performance is pretty average. I can't say anything special about it, and its camera is okay because competitors like the Redmi Note 9 Pro have better cooling, better camera, but the screen is just what puts it over the top. So it's a great experience to use and is a good buy.